Hello everybody, this is Stonewall, and today we're going to try to get the pistols diamond. Now, I know what you're thinking, wait, you've got two left. And that's right, I've got the Mozu and the RK7 left to get. Now, the Mozu, I know the last video I did, I was really close on the headshots, and well, I played quite a bit last night. And in my warm-up round, I was gonna get a little bit closer. I was only on maybe 16 of my attachment kills, so I played 2 warm-up rounds, or 1.5, something like that. Jumped into one in progress, and I almost made a mistake. I'm on 49 out of 50. I got 20 kills in that last match. If I'd gotten one more, I would have earned gold camo on the Mozu. So this is really easy to get the next camo on that. And of course the RK7. I finished off the headshots yesterday and did all of the rest of these. No attachments I did in hardcore. Went really easy. Got most of my bloodthirsties there as well. And of course doubles and long shots are pretty easy with the pistols in hardcore. And I'm down to needing 6 of my attachment kills. So my plan is to jump in a match and earn gold on both the pistols, which will give me diamond for the pistol category. So this should be pretty fun. Now, before I get started, I wanted to give a shout out to Sneaky Mouse, who commented on my last video and asked for a shout out. So there you go. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Keep it up. Alright, so let's jump into, I think let's just jump into some regular core, kind of show how this goes. Alright, decided to start off with the RK7 here, still keep it in order. Now, I'm running the suppressor on here mainly because I was actually playing hardcore with it before, and I noticed I was struggling a bit more with getting kills in hardcore with it, and I think it's because of the added recoil running rapid fire. Oh, come on. What in the world? Anyways, the added recoil from rapid fire, meaning I only hit one of my shots in a burst instead of 2 or 3. Which made it a bit harder to get kills in hardcore. Okay. I think I'm playing a bit too aggressive. It's easy to do with this gun in hardcore. Not as easy in hardcore.
First come, first served.
Entanglement set.
Ruin eliminated. They're gone.
Alright, is that 3, I believe? In the back. Okay, who would set up a tac deploy in the spawn? That's what I want to know. Running Crash mainly because with all these attachments I can't run Scavenger. Not where I want to be. Definitely not where I want to be. Oh. Not sure what's going on there. I should have warmed up with this gun instead of the Mozu. Struggling. Or I might should have just run hardcore. But we'll get through it. Again, keep playing a bit aggressively and getting shot in the back. Wow, not doing so good. Should be getting close. Ah, got the assist. Oh, there's their whole team. Also, because of all the attachments, I can't run stim shot. Oh, thank you, Crash.
Triage system good to go.
Friendly tactical beacon offline.
Enemies have destroyed your assault pack.
Hostile UAV circling.
Oh, nice. That teammate's got him. Not going so good. I got 6 kills. Oh, come on. Let's boost.
One hurt a bit. Get back in the fight.
I'll crush them all. Battery dropped.
Those shots didn't even register. Is that it? There it is. Gold on the RK7. And we can switch up to the Mozu.
Hostile UAV circling.
Now, because of running the attachments, I'm not running the operator mod. But didn't need it. For that guy, anyways. There it is, diamond for the pistols. That's what I was hunting for. Oh, come on. Those first shots should have registered.
Supplies. First come, first serve.
I was hoping for a little bit better match to earn that in, but
Kill.
Our tac deploy.
we wound up with some pretty decent players on the enemy team.
Expired.
There. Again, waiting to heal.
Hostile cluster grenade.
Oh, yep. There we go.
Expired.
Oh, thank you, teammate. Save my rear end. Alright, so that just leaves the SG-12, which is going to take a while, because I really haven't worked on that one much for the challenges, and the combat knife, which I've
Enemy spotted.
actually worked on a decent amount. I've got
Dead.
a little bit over 100 kills with it. Oh boy, out of ammo. Ah, so close.
Deploying barricade.
Yeah, the ideal setup with this gun, you really do need scavenger on.
Our tac deploy beacon has been
Triage
destroyed.
system engaged. I'll put that on your tab. Assault pack right here. They're dead.
Hostile system
down.
intrusion has been detected.
Hostiles have taken control of your assault pack.
Did the nasty lady take your toy away?
Your systems have been infected by an enemy hacker.
Ah, somebody's on the bridge.
There's no profit in defeat.
Somebody's over here. No! What? I'm not even sure.
Your control systems are back online.
Alright, match is almost over. missed everything but that last shot.
Battery down.
Deploying razor wire.
It's almost over. There it is.
There goes
Alright.
some line.
Even with all of that, still wound up top of the leaderboard. 21-18, definitely not the greatest. But we did wind up running into some pretty decent players on the other team. Kind of funny, their Master Prestiger was on the bottom. Not sure what he was doing.
Bag.
Anyways. And this is the part that I am happy about. Number one, that's a decent chunk of XP there. Oh, did I get another tier? Hey, it wasn't a duplicate. And this page. So, earn diamond on any secondary weapon class. I got the purple hex on both of those. That happened to be the last one. I guess I've been doing them in the same order pretty much. Gold for the Mozu and the RK7, and diamond for all of the pistols. Well, except for the Cap 45. So let me back out real quick. I see Ninja Sam has joined me. And I'll probably jump into a party with him in just a second. But let's show this. So there is gold on the RK7. And again, there's 3 levels for that, depending on what you do in a match while you got it equipped. And diamond. And again, all the rainbow of colors for that one. Excuse me. And of course now I can put all of the reactive camos on any of the guns you have gold on. That one actually looks pretty cool. Yeah, so let's look at the Mozu real quick and then we'll finish up the video. So again, I do like the penthouse camo on just about everything. It looks really good on there. But there's gold, which I think penthouse actually looks better than gold in a lot of cases. But then you get the animations, and that looks pretty cool as well. And then diamond, of course, with all the colors there. And again, all of the reactive camos through here. I'm not going to go through the details of every single one. That would be a little bit too long of a video. And just staring at camos instead of challenges. So one of the things I would highly recommend is to kind of focus on a challenge. Pick a weapon and stick with it through a challenge. Because the more you use it, the more comfortable you get with it. And it definitely makes a difference if you get used to the way it plays, the way it feels, when you know what situations you can take and what you can't. I think that's what was throwing me off with the RK7, is I'd been playing mainly hardcore with that one. But yeah, and definitely recommend if you're not too nervous of playing hardcore or something like that, use that for challenges. Whenever I was doing the no attachments for the Mozu, I'm not taking that thing in core, because you have to reload for every single kill. You might could squeeze in 2 kills if you're really careful with your shots, but in a game this fast paced, you don't have time to do that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that, and that really just leaves 2 weapons left, the knife and the SG-12. Still got a few levels, 2 levels to go actually, to get the SG-12, and before I go, I want you to notice my calling card. So I was playing some Blackout yesterday, and I'd done everything except the launcher kills in Blackout, and then this happened. Yeah, that was basically, that was the whole team pretty much. But was playing a little bit with a 4-man squad. They were chasing after one of our squad mates, and I wound up blowing them all to Kingdom Come. Anyway, so what that means, and let me, well, I'll go ahead and bring you with me. What that means is I've finished out all of the global challenges here, if they'll load, and unlock the global master calling card, which I thought was pretty cool. Thought I'd share that with you. So anyways, each of these requires some challenge in multiplayer zombies and blackout, whether it's kills with a certain weapon class or leveling up. So pretty cool there. But yeah, I think I'll leave it at that. So diamond on the pistols and global master calling card. So hopefully you enjoyed that. This is Stonewall signing off, and I'll see you in another video.